Should you fold or stuff your sleeping bag? Today we're going to review one of the oldest camping debates. Should you fold or stuff your sleeping bag? When you first buy a sleeping bag, it usually comes neatly folded and rolled in its sack, so it's natural to think you should pack it that way every time. I know I did. But here's the truth. Folding and rolling your sleeping bag over and over actually wears it down faster. Creases form in the insulation, and over time those creases can break down the material and create cold spots. So that's why most outdoor pros recommend stuffing instead of folding. Just grab the bottom end of the sleeping bag and start to push the bag into the sack. It doesn't need to look pretty. Every time you stuff, the folds land in different spots, which helps your insulation last longer. Stuffing is also usually a little bit faster. No careful folding, no tight rolling, you just cram it in and go. And on the trail, that can save you precious time when you're packing up camp. So, is there ever a reason to fold? Yes, actually a couple. If you're car camping, you need to maximize trunk space, a neatly rolled bag might pack more efficiently. Or if you're using a really old school cotton sleeping bag, folding can sometimes help with the bulk. But for most modern synthetic and down bags, stuffing is the way to go. Here's 2 quick tips. Start stuffing from the foot end, it's less bulky. And at home, never store your bag compressed. Keep the bag in a big mesh or cotton sack so the insulation stays nice and fluffy. Some sleeping bags even come with this, which is awesome. So should you fold or stuff your sleeping bag? Most of the time, we say stuff it. It's faster, easier, and keeps your bag warmer for years to come. Follow Wilderness Times for more camping tips, tricks, and gear reviews.